Right back and you'll hear a tale of
A tale of a faithful website. Oh wait, no, you were expecting to see Gilligan's Island, perhaps? Sorry, if you don't know what Gilligan's Island is, it was this popular TV show back in the 60s. I actually saw it in reruns when I was growing up as a kid in the 80s. It was very popular. I think you could still see it on like TV Land or something. But anyhow, but seriously, it's this silly show about shipwrecked people on a little island near Hawaii. But anyhow, but seriously, I am going to tell you a true story that actually did happen to me about a website that got hacked. And I'm going to explain everything that you need to know. It's coming up in my review of WP Secure. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull them successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the town, and by the way, if you are not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead because my jokes, they're really stale. They're boring. I get it. You know, I make dad jokes all the time. I'm not even a dad. All I have is 2 cats. Go figure. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is 2 things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing in my ask? Well, it's very, very simple. So make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude, seriously, nobody wants the crap. I don't think you want the crap either. That guy is driving me crazy. He keeps talking about loving crap. Nobody loves crap. Nobody wants it. Nobody needs it. Okay, seriously, guy, give it a rest. Okay, seriously. But seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like about that, I will give a tip. My hat's the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. And they see Liz, she's a sweetheart. I love Liz. She says the nicest things every single time, even though she says the same thing every single time, but she's nice about it. So go figure. Anyhow, if you are new, be sure to smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we got new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. You know the drill. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page. This is a really creepy image for WP Secure. This is from my friends Trevor Carr and Lou and Henrique. Now, basically, WP Secure is a brand new WordPress plugin. If you are not using WordPress, then this probably won't help you. But the vast majority of people I know at least run their blogs using WordPress of some kind. And I want to tell you before we start talking about this, I want to tell you about what happened to me and tell you about my custom bonus, because I do have the best custom bonuses you're ever going to see for you know, a launch. But anyway, seriously, so here's the deal. I own probably about 30 different websites, 40 different websites, and I usually use a plugin called WordFence on all of them. Now, WordFence charges an annual fee in order to be able to use it properly. They have like a very limited version for the main product. And honestly, even WordFence doesn't do everything that I would like it to do, because basically what WordFence will do is it'll block people from when people try to log into do what's called a brute force login to my website in order to try to steal it. It will block them out after a certain number of tries. But the trouble is that it still leaves me vulnerable, because people know you can put in, you know, the name of the website /wp-admin or /wp-login, and they, for some reason, inevitably try to use admin as the username. Fortunately, I do not use the word admin as my username, so that's really, really cool. Then they try to do a brute force login thing. Now, here's the issue. I had one website that I had created that I lost control over. I was trying to log in and I couldn't get in there. And yeah, it turned out that somebody had managed to break into my website and steal it. And stupidly, I had not installed a WordFence on that particular website. But like I said, even if I had, you know, WordFence is only good so far. And they charge an annual fee for WordFence. It's not free. So I'm always in the market for a new product that is actually going to be able to secure my website once and for all, that I don't have to worry about paying an annual fee for. And that's why I'm super excited about WP Secure. It's a brand new plugin. And by the way, I'm going to tell you how to get it for $5 off. The regular price is $12.95. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to get it for $7.95 in just a moment. Before I do want to tell you about my custom bonuses, because I do have the best custom bonuses that you're ever going to see for this product. So first and foremost, only exclusively for me, I'm going to give you about 90 different premium WordPress themes and plugins. Okay, these are paid products that other people have spent thousands of dollars to buy. You're going to get them completely, totally for free. You don't have to spend a penny on them. They are totally free, and you can even sell them, give them away, use them as a bonus. The only thing you can't do is change the copyright notice. You can't claim copyright over them, but you can legally sell them, give them away, use them as your own bonus. You're gonna get about 90 of them included with this. On top of that, I managed to convince Trevor and Luann to give me a whole bunch of additional stuff to give away to you. And they've got some really, really amazing stuff. So let's go ahead and go through this. So we have Crazy Traffic Explosion, we have List Smasher, we have TweetX, we have Launch Jacking, we have Profit Force, we have Golden Stash, we have Goldmine Seeker, we have 10K a month study, we have $2,000 in 20 minutes with Facebook, Lindgren's Crazy Lazy Method, okay, 5K publishing paydays, 10X commissions, Printly, 3 tips that change the Kindle game big time, WP Commission Cloaker, Effortless FB Profits, 6-figure swipes, Lazy Profit Explosion, Launch Checking Formula, Free Traffic Frenzy, Software Business in a Box, Zero to Profit with Printables, Ultimate Traffic Mantra, Instagram Marketing Made Simple, List Building on Steroids, Bing Ads Mastery Training, 5-figure Freedom, 0-hour Workdays, Self-Publishing Master Guide, How to Explode Your YouTube Channel, Money Talks, Kindle Secrets, The Awakening, Deadly Sins of Email Marketing, Banking with Bonuses. Boy, there's a lot here. Wow. Let's see. Solo Ad, List Building Profits, FB Livewire, Crazy Traffic Explosion. You're going to get all of those things included as bonuses when you pick up WP Secure from me. Like I said, I know Trevor and I know Luann, good friends with both of them. They were willing to give this to you. These are on top of the 100 plugins I'm giving you, by the way, or 90 plugins rather, I'm giving you. Okay, now pick up any upgrade to WP Secure. And I'm also going to give you my sales page. This is the same sales page I use for all of my launches now. This is the sales page for Bonus Grab. It's the sales page for my upcoming launch, which is beastmode.social. Those are, this sales page cost me thousands upon thousands of dollars to have made. You're going to get the sales page completely, totally for free. Plus, I'm going to give you the plugin that you need, which is, by the way, also a paid plugin. Excuse me, completely free. This is literally worth thousands upon thousands of dollars. You're going to get that for free. Plus, I managed to convince my friends to give me even more stuff to give away to you when you pick up any upgrade. So you're going to get also List Smasher, Profits Today, and PDF Dynamo when you pick up any upgrade from me. So you're going to get all these things. You're going to get, what is it, 32 bonuses that Luann and Trevor are giving me. Plus, I'm going to give you my 90 premium WordPress plugins and premium WordPress themes, plus 32 of these things. Plus, I'm also going to give you when you pick up any upgrade, I'm going to give you my own sales page, plus Thrive Architect, which is again a paid annual plugin. I have a secret copy of it that it works for free. Again, completely legal to use. I don't do anything that's illegal. It's completely legal to use. It's just it's a loophole in the WordPress. What should we call it? The WordPress, the way WordPress works as far as the legality of WordPress. That it is perfectly legal to use this thing, and it works perfectly every time. I've used it for many, many websites, made over $100,000 using this this sales page and this plugin. So it works really, really well, actually. So I do want to show you how the plugin actually works, though. So let me show it to you right now. So we're inside of one of my websites, which I have secured with, you can see here with WP Secure. So it's very easy. You're going to download the plugin and upload it. If you don't know how to do that, they will tell you in the members area how to do it. Very simple to do, not really difficult. So basically what I want to show you is like this. The first thing that's really, really cool about this is that it'll hide the WP admin website. Now you can see here, I put in the word Kirk just because I'm a Star Trek fan. I'm going to change it before this video goes live though, so do not expect to be able to go and check out this website by visiting maninthehat.llc/Kirk. Anyway, this is basically my business website just for showcasing my products as opposed to my blog, which is maninthehatllc.com. This is maninthehat.llc, which is just my business, only the stuff that I actually sell personally, not the stuff I'm reviewing. But anyhow, the slash WP admin obviously will be gone, and slash Kirk is going to be gone also. That's just a temporary thing. But anyhow, so you can change it to wherever you want to change it to. And this is really, really cool because once you do this, it's going to be a lot harder for people to break into your website to begin with, because they will not know what URL to put in order to get to WordPress. Now, another thing that's really cool here, you also have all these options here to hide things. So you can hide the WP admin folder completely, which is really, really good, because that means that people won't be able to sneak in and start poking around. You know, one of the things I love WordPress, but one of the things about WordPress, even though it's relatively secure on its own, there are vulnerabilities. This plugs a lot of the vulnerabilities. Okay, you can also hide all assets. You can hide the license.txt, WP includes. So for example, you have plugins that you don't want people knowing what they are. You'll be able to hide them from people. You can disable directory listings and hide other TXT files. That's really important if you have something where you actually have content saved in a .txt file. People won't be able to steal that. All these things are designed to make it harder for people to steal your stuff. And of course, then they have the brute force attack, which is the same feature that I pay for WordFence to do that. This is completely for free with this product. You're going to be able to use WordFence to actually, WP Secure to actually say how long people will be locked out. It's going to send a message to you letting you know when somebody will locked out. Usually when I see that, I actually go in and make the lockout permanent, so that I know that somebody isn't going to be able to break into my website later on. They also have two-factor authentication, which basically will send you a code so that you can't just log in, you have to send a code just for additional security. And again, this is going to cost you $7.95 with all of the bonuses that are included in the package. Okay, so again, now if you want to get it for $5 off, just go ahead and click I have a coupon, and then type in the coupon code $5 off WP. That's going to make it $7.95. I'll show that to you right now. So we're going to click here, I have a coupon, and we're going to put in $5 off WP. Okay, apply, and now it's $7.95, and you're still getting all of my bonuses included completely, totally for free with this package. Truly impressive stuff, really great. I think that this is really, well, let's formally see if I'm going to give a tip back to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, you demand, okay? This is cool, I love it. The guy behind me, the man in the painting would tip his hat also if he could. He's a painting, he can't tip his hat, but in spirit, he's tipping his hat to Luann and Trevor. This is a really good product. Grab this one. This one is good. You're going to love this.